Simonian saw service here. This is Rodney Simonian. I rebuilt this 395. I got a new chain and bar on it. The chain's been used, but I will ship it with a new chain. The saw has a Meteor 395 cylinder and piston in it. It's got a new brake cover on it. It's OEM. It's got a new oil pump, a new ignition. It's been tested and it sounds real good. I will be shipping it for free. The cost is $750. If you're interested, send me an email. I'll have an email address in the description below. It also has a new engine case. This saw was purchased off of eBay, and it was a big mess when I got it. And I didn't get the full description, so I got a discount on the price of it. And they wanted like $450 for it. And I got them to bring it down $250. But with all the other extra parts that it needed, it brought it back up to quite an expensive used saw. So if you're buying something off of eBay and it's a $395, you better be careful what you're buying, because this thing was a really big mess, and it's only a 2018 saw. So explain to me how the guy destroyed it in just a few years. It doesn't look as pretty as a brand new saw, but it's going to run as good as a brand new saw. Following is a video of the saw cutting black walnut. It was a rip cut. The chain was brand new, and it only took 2 cuts through this black walnut to dull the chain. So that's why you might start seeing some blue smoke come out of it. But listen to how the saw runs and how it started. It's kind of like not doctored or anything. So it's a really good buy. And I thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, that's enough of that. So I can also rebuild your saw. It could be either a 94 or 95. It could be a Johnson Red 630, 625, 670. Husqvarna's 61s, 266s, 268s, and 272s. I put a 272 cylinder on all those saws. It's a Meteor cylinder. It's as good as OEM, and that saw will run like new. So just drop me an email and we can get on with this. When this saw is sold, I will put a sold marker on it, and we can go from there. Thanks again. Bye bye.